In today's video, I will show you how to find Windows 10 or Windows 11 product key or OEM digital license key. You need to back up this case in case you want to upgrade your Windows from 10 to 11, or you want to reinstall your Windows. If your window crashes, then you need this product key. So it is always good to back up this product key so that you'll be able to get it whenever you need it again for future use. In this video, guys, I'll give you two steps. The first step is very simple and easy, but second step is the most easiest way. So let's start with the first step. Here, click on Window R on your keyboard to bring you this interface. Now type regedit. Hit the enter button and you click the OK. Now click on yes. When it comes out like this. You have yourself at this place. So now go and click on the H key, right back of H key local machine. Then from here, locate and click the same on software. Now that you click on software, click any of these, then tap on M on the keyboard to take you to M section. Now here you are at Microsoft, then click the arrow at the back of Microsoft, then click anyone from Microsoft here, then tap W on the keyboard. It brings you to W section on this instead of you dragging down. So under W we are looking for Window NT. So let's locate and click Window NT here, then click at the arrow, then under that you have current version. You see current version, then open current version. Once you open current version, then tap on X from soft, tap anyone, then tap X here to take you to soft here. That is, now scroll down, we are looking for software protection platform. Click on this button. Once you click on software protection platform, then come to this side, look at this button that says backup product key defaults. Here you have your product key, so you can copy this and save it in a safe place. That is first process. The second process, which is the easiest process, is very simple. Then come to the search bar here, type in CMD, then come here, right click and run as administrator. Yes button will come out, accept the yes, and it comes out like this. Now I will drop this code in the video description. Copy the entire code here, just Ctrl C, then come to this place, right click, it brings to this, it pastes the code here, then just hit the enter button. Wait a few seconds, you have the product key here, so you can now copy the product key and put in a safe place. So with these two simple process, guys, you've been able to get your Windows 10, Windows 11 product key and OEM digital license key. If you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, and drop your comments in the comment section. See you soon, guys, on our next video.